What if I told you that you can use CapCut Pro features for free? No hacks, no paid subscription, and no login needed. Yes, totally legal. It's already built into the software, they just don't tell you about it. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how. Now I will make a short video in which I will use the Pro features. I use the free version of CapCut and will show you how it works. Please note that I am not logged into my CapCut account. Now let's create a new project. I'll import a couple of images and audio files into it. Drag them onto the timeline. First, I'll add auto captions and adjust their style. Important: this is not a bug, hack, or piracy. CapCut actually lets you use all Pro tools while editing. The only block happens during export. But even that has a simple and legal workaround. Now I'll select Frame Transition from the Pro section. Add a couple of effects, also from the Pro section. I think that's enough. If you try to export, CapCut will say, "You are using the following Pro features. Join CapCut Pro to use them." There are only two options: Join Pro or Back to Edit. Okay, back to Edit. Select all clips and elements on your timeline. Right-click, Create Compound Clip. Trying to export the video and see a warning again. Back to Edit. Right-click again. Pre-process. Now CapCut secretly renders your video in the background. When the pre-process is finished, back to the home page. Open the settings and see where CapCut saves drafts. Open the CapCut Drafts folder. Look for the folder with the project name. In my case, it is 0703-2. Resources. Combination. Here you'll find a MP4 file. It's your full render with all Pro effects. No watermark, no subscription. Ready to upload to YouTube or TikTok. And just like that, you get CapCut Pro for free and legally. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and comment. It worked! Your support helps me grow and bring more videos about AI and creative tools. See you in the next one!